Dealing with printer driver error 0x80070705 in Windows 11. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 fixes to resolve the issue quickly. At first, press the Windows key plus I keys together. Then tap on System on the left-hand pane. Next, click on the Troubleshoot. After that, tap on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will find the Printer Troubleshooter. Next, tap on Run to run the Printer Troubleshooter. After that, go to the next step. Click on Next. After this, select the printer you are facing this problem with. Let Windows apply this fix to solve the printer-related issue. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, type services.msc and click on OK. When the Services window opens up, locate the Print Spooler service. Then, right-click on the service and tap on Properties. When the Properties appears, tap on Startup Type and set it to Automatic. Tap on Stop to stop the service. Wait for a few seconds. Then, click on Start to start the service again. Finally, tap on Apply and OK to save these changes. After that, close the Services window. Then, reboot your system and check whether this works for you. At first, right-click on the Windows icon. Then, tap on the Device Manager to access it. When the Device Manager opens up, expand the Print Queues Device section. Then, right-click on the printer driver and tap on Update Driver. Then, tap on the Search automatically for drivers. Windows will download and install the printer device on your system. Restart the system once you are done. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.